Tov, good morning. We continue with a 3-minute daily dose of Torah. We took 2 days off during Chol Hamoed here, but now we're here. We find ourselves in the middle of Chol Hamoed. And I wanted to just remind us about how we approach being in the Sukkah, especially when some of the excitement has worn off. And we are thankful to Hashem that somehow after the terrible mabul that we had on Erev Yontif, we were able to go into the sukkah, make kiddush, and eat. I ate in the sukkah. Some folks said just make kiddush and made hamotzi. We were able to eat in the sukkah, and that was nice. And then we've had these beautiful, beautiful days since. And so, some degree, people kind of it fades a little bit. It fades a little bit, the excitement of the sukkah, but that's the pleasure and the gift that we have to be in the sukkah. So, just briefly, Siman Tuf Reish Lamed Tes says the following: Dinei Yeshivat Sukkah. These are the rules of dwelling in the sukkah. Ketzad mitzvat yeshiva basukkah. How do we perform this mitzvah of dwelling in the sukkah? Sheyeh ochel v'shoteh v'yashen mitayel added by also. Persons should be eating and drinking and sleeping. And mitayel is a great word because a tiyul usually means you go on an excursion. But this, I think, means that you take your casual time. Vidar basukkah. And you should otherwise just dwell in your sukkah, kol shivat hayamim, bein bayom bein balayla, by day or by night. Kederach shu dar beveito, bishar yemot hashana. Just like you would otherwise live in your house the rest of the days of the year, you flip it, whatever happens inside, that door over there, right, should come outside. We are, I think, have come to find different ways to avoid sleeping in the sukkah, properly or improperly, that's the case. And some people do continue to sleep in the sukkah. This has been a good week, weather-wise, to be able to do so. But otherwise, you should be spending your time. So if you're forced to go into work, into an office, that's one thing. I'm going to be forced to go to jury duty in a few minutes, so I'll be at the courthouse. But otherwise, when you're at home, the place where you should be doing your stuff, eating and drinking and sitting and reading, watching TV, or at least on your computer, all the days of the week, that your beito should be arai, that sukkato keva, that you should make your house into the temporary dwelling and your sukkah into the permanent dwelling. And then he goes on to describe, you bring your nice things out to the sukkah, all your lovely things. It's a little bit more dangerous when you do worry about some rain happening in these parts. Although again, our weather seems to be good for the next 2 days. You bring it out, use your nice things, and make your sukkah really feel special. We, as you can see behind me, we put up photos, family photos on the walls. It's a nice way in which we can just feel like this is our home space. I hope that you can use your sukkah or come to the shul sukkah. Take a meal there and just hang out. That's the way we're meant to fulfill this mitzvah. Wishing you all a great day.